He wasn't out there, so I didn't catch him. And you can choose a
That's
bow.
light.
Wow. Choose a bow.
Green.
And just put it in the center. You gotta take that. Those are salts I gave you.
Oh. It's so small.
I love this wrapping paper right here.
Yes, me too.
I love it. Stop trying to shape gifts.
Come on.
So yeah.
I'm sorry.
So I still have to wrap this cute gift here. Here's the four. Of course, I made this mess. Keep it simple. What? Is it really heavy?
Well,
Thank you. Say hi.
Hi, y'all. How you doing, y'all? It's me, Jay, again.
Oh my god.
Hi, JJ.
What are we about to
It's
do?
my brother right here. Cookies. Make cookies.
Caleb, that is not your name.
You eat
Caleb is
make
eating cheese, y'all.
peanut butter cookies. We're in the middle right there.
Okay, Kimura is helping. So, what we're gonna do first? We're gonna do
Peanut butter.
yeah, the peanut butter. Add a couple peanut butter.
Ah, do M&M's.
Not yet, Caleb, okay?
Okay.
And it's gonna be very loud.
Do that.
They're gonna
do
be loud.
that.
Oh, Kimura burnt herself with the iron.
Yes, and it made my hair look ugly, y'all.
It's like ugly. It just look like a teen.
A
Like
what?
you just put peanut butter all over it and you made it look like that. But it look gross.
Okay.
Hey y'all, we're about to share
So
the burrito.
I know it don't look like a lot of peanut butter, but it actually is.
That is weird.
We add a cup of sugar. I'll put the what is it called? The recipe we're following. No. I'll put that in the description box. Where's the egg? Right here. You know how to crack an egg? Oh, y'all, let's see Kimura know how to crack an egg.
Me too.
No shells.
I know how to crack an egg too.
Come on, you on the phone.
Yeah, I saw mommy do it.
You did.
And you gonna mix it up.
Okay.
And you gonna mix it up now.
Don't you mix with the whisk yet. Oh, we gotta add a half tablespoon of vanilla. Well, I'm just adding it into it.
I'm gonna fall asleep here.
Pour over this. Pour over.
You know you ain't falling asleep.
My dad will.
That's good.
It got take too long. Okay. Chicken, what is that? Vanilla. Vanilla. I'm not gonna take the spoon and mix it with the spoon.
Okay, you did just add some butter. Kimura just stirring everything with the spoon first, and then she'll use the whisk. You just want to start with the whisk because everything will get stuck in it. So yeah.
I don't want to make a mistake and add a lot. I'm gonna help you out. Yeah, keep pouring it out. Tomorrow, you're the best chef ever.
Oh, thank you.
And Kiki. I give Kamora a thumbs up and Kiki a thumbs up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Get the peanut butter off the sides. Not leaving no extra.
I just started to watch y'all, so I didn't learn how to do it when I grew up. I'm gonna do the same time y'all. Because
Well, I'm glad I made a special ration
get
to
my
you.
tongues up. Get my tongues up.
Like the video and subscribe.
Can I get my cheese? Get her for 1,500 minutes.
Just put the dough in half. We have half and half of the dough over here. The reason why we split it in half because we're gonna add M&Ms to half of this cookie dough.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a fourth of a cup. And then, oh, messy. Yeah, it'd be a messy one. Okay, what I'm doing. Just put 2 ounces of M&Ms in there. Caleb's still eating more cheese. Add a little bit, half of it. Wow! Here, hold this.
That's the M&M's and the gum. I don't know how it's gonna taste, you guys.
But we will keep you updated.
Yeah, comment down below what you guys think it's gonna taste.
Lord, that's my cheese.
Okay.
I need my cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. Can I do the same thing y'all doing when I get older?
Yeah. Oh, wait, come on.
Can I help you?
You don't have to go that far down. Like, don't push too far. Like, just go.
Ooh, that look yummy. But I
Do
feel
that one.
tired. But cause it got
start right here.
enemies.
Yeah.
When y'all done, y'all gonna put it in the oven?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And we're gonna just take down here and look at that as a phone.
Okay. Yeah, you'll get a notification. Scoot back, Mo. You can put them on the top rack in the middle. Be careful. Careful.
The more is
It's good. And we're going to be in there for approximately 10 minutes. Then we're going to start washing dishes. So make sure you wash as you cook.
Oh, yummy.
We're like an M&M cookie basket. So.
Growing up,